In this section, we will discuss a whole bunch of movement types. But to give you a holistic picture, I'm going to talk about so many different things. Things like internal order, production order, assets, project systems, and all of them in the context of movement type. So don't worry if you don't understand what's happening here in its entirety. I just want you to understand the big picture and see that movement type is used everywhere. Anytime there is a goods movement, it's not just purchase order, goods receipt, invoice receipt. There are so many different processes that use movement type. So if you're considering coffee, let's say on the left, we'll talk about goods receipts. And on the right, we'll talk about goods issues. So this is issues, and this is receipts. All right. So what is the basic form of a goods receipt in MM? It's receipt against a PO, right? So when you receive goods against a PO, let's go do that. Go do a ME21N 4001. Quantity of 100. And save it. Make a note of the purchase order. Control C. Let's do a MyGo. And it's going to be a goods receipt against a purchase order. And put the purchase order number in there. Enter. And if you look at the movement type, it's 101. So the movement type against a standard purchase order's goods receipt is 101. Click item OK and save. Okay, so against a PO, the movement type is 101. So you have received 100 pounds of coffee, right? Now, you can also receive goods without a PO, isn't it? So goods receipt, other, and the movement type is 501. The process is going to be the same. You enter the plant, you enter the storage location, you enter the vendor, and that's it. So without PO, the movement type is going to be 501. So goods receipt with a PO is movement type 101, and goods receipt without PO is movement type 501.